Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you this dessert board that I created. Here are all the items. I will be going over them individually. So first I am going to show you this. I got this assorted treats from Sam's. And then here's the charcuterie board, the board we're going to be using. A lot of people made fun of me because I called it charcuterie board on my Instagram, but that's why I'm saying a dessert board. But here are the treats from the can that we found at Sam's. It had an assortment of things in there. So first of all, I opened it and then I started placing the different desserts on there. I'm just gonna stop talking so you can watch what I did and how I just placed the different items on the board. I used fruit, cookies, different treats, nuts, whatever we decided to do. We did a movie night and we decided to do a dessert board with it. Hopefully you enjoy. So I decided to add these Pocky sticks because right now my niece, that's one of her favorite things. So we wanted to make it fun and enjoyable for the whole family, not just for adults, but for children as well. So I wanted to add some fruit, so I added some fruit, and then I took an orange and I peeled it and I added orange slices as well. I also added blueberries, almonds, and different almonds and peanuts. So hopefully you guys enjoy. So here is my finished product. We thoroughly enjoyed this. It was a little different from the charcuterie board and regular popcorn, just having it up, changing it up a little bit. Thanks so much for watching, and also you'll see some more pictures of different angles of how everything turned out. I think it looks amazing. And like always, it doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be you. And thank you so much for watching, and have a blessed day.